Why may I not go out to climb a tree? Trees have fingers that may steal the ice from me. Why may I not go play out in the barn? The barn hand may take you and drown you in the tar. Find the little cat. The cat's been found and taken by the rats. Where will the sun be when the sky is black? You will have all night to ponder about that. Puppy's got bugs that lay eggs inside your head. Why may I not stay up and be with thee? For I don't like children who doesn't